So this is for use case 1 in Fundamentals of Business Analytics. I'm in group 5 with Jeannie, Kim, and Corbin, and our topic is on Dick's Sporting Goods. So the two key business processes that we wanted to focus on were their best price guarantee and then also their Dick's scorecard. So with the best price guarantee, Dick's Sporting Goods as a company will price match with competitor pricing if you find a product within their store that has a lower price than what they are offering. This applies both in store and online, and it takes place so that Dick's Sporting Goods does not lose customers to competitors due to their prices being higher. And then with the scorecard, Dick's offers the customers the opportunity to sign up for a loyalty card. For every $1 the customer spent using the scorecard, they will earn $1 on their card. 300 points is equivalent to a $10 reward. And then customers can also earn 3 points a day by using a fitness tracker on their app. And then this business process gives customers the incentive to shop at their store. And then in the long run, the more points they have, the more money they have on their scorecard, they could potentially not have to pay for certain products when they come in because of the money on their card. So the 4 big data value drivers. So volume is the first of the 4. So increasing the amount of data will help us dive deeper into how different techniques can be used to reduce waste. And then viewing a larger amount of data can help us see how each region of the country is doing in regards to waste management within their area. Velocity is the second one. So if we are able to gain information on a daily basis, we can then view them at higher paces and make faster decisions based on the day-to-day operations with the more data and the more time we've spent looking at the data. And then speed and data analysis will help tailor promotions to items that customers are currently looking for and related items that they may want in the future because they bought something in the past. So more sophisticated products as more equipment is bought in for activities, stuff like that. Variety is the third one that we're going to talk about. So social media could provide information about causes that customers find worthwhile, tailoring sustainability initiatives to those that find similar causes important, and also fitness tracker technology to assess the types of activities customers do engage in, so they can then try to show them products that would help them with that activity. And then the last one is veracity. So internal data gathered from the scorecard information at the register should contain only slight inaccuracies, only if something was not scanned correctly or an incorrect scorecard number for the customer was entered. So 5 phases of big data model maturity index. So business monitoring. So you monitor the competitors' prices and try to ensure that our prices are as close to or under the competition. This ensures that we do indeed have the best price guarantee, and then the customers won't have to price check in the end. Also monitor how many people actually have a scorecard and then turn it to then see how many people use the scorecard that they have. Monitor how many consumers are currently buying products in store versus online. This can help with sustainability goals. They'll be different based off this info. So bags in store versus shipping options. Monitoring the types of activities recorded in the fitness tracking capabilities of the scorecard app. Number of customers that choose paper over plastic, sales in each sporting equipment category, and then typical number of items each customer buys when in store. The next one is business insights. So which customers participate in activities that might have an emphasis on the leave no trace aspect. This would be a good segment to focus for alternative packaging solutions to see like what could be the most cost effective between a few options. Which customers purchase the most from the business. So this is another part where you focus on what they're buying and how to get it how to get buy-in regarding the sustainability efforts. And then the last bullet is what type of goods are typically shipped versus purchased in stores. So determining how to stock actual goods in the store versus only online item availability. The number of products and the product size that is shipped might make a difference in the sustainability efforts that we're trying to put out. Business optimization. So you tailor email promotions to activities recorded for those that have fitness trackers attached to the account. And then tailor in-store merchandise for different large geographic regions according to the most popular activities in the area, hopefully cutting down on shipping costs and to-store merchandise transfer costs, just cutting back on it, which would then cut back on waste and everything. And then data monetization. Currently there's a donation option for the Youth Sports Initiative included in the CSR. A commitment link could be added for customers to bring their own reusable bags. Once they click commit, each time they bring in their own bag, the linked account could be credited with additional reward points on their scorecard. And then customer customization information could be shared with in-house brand and how we develop new products to help reach that. While developing these products, continued commitment to sustainable materials and practices are at our forefront. And then would it be more profitable and sustainable to encourage in-store pickup versus mail delivery? So the company would need to make it easier and faster to pick up at the store location versus like an online option. And then business metamorphosis. So more intuitive shopping experiences both in-store and online, building more promotions around products that customers are going to purchase, and then seasonal distribution of products based on the sports and events that are being played at the specific season. And then creating partnerships with high-end athletes is a big thing. And then lastly is building a community through sponsoring youth teams and leagues around the area.